Hi everyone! For today's video I decided to film all my breakfast throughout the week. So here is a week of vegan breakfasts. I started the week with a smoothie. So in a blender I added 1 frozen banana, 1 big tablespoon of peanut butter, some vanilla soy milk. I wanted my smoothie between runny and thick, but add according to the consistency you want. Some chia seeds, hemp seeds, 1 date, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, and I have this green powder to finish, so I added a little bit of it, some water, and again it's up to your desire. And you can blend it all together. I also added a few ice cubes. I started Tuesday with a pear and a green tea. I don't know about you, but I'm obsessed with pears this season. So please don't mind my face right now. This day I was filming a video about 3 vegan wrap recipes. So for my breakfast I ate the breakfast wrap. If you haven't checked this video yet, I will link it down below. On Wednesday I couldn't decide between sweet and savory, so I had both for breakfast with some green tea. The noise you're hearing is what I'm heating up. It was the rest of the video I made the day before. So I toasted 2 slices of bread. On one I added some peanut butter. And also I heated some frozen berries that I put on top of the peanut butter toast with some chia seeds and some hemp seeds. On the other toast I added some Marmite. I used to know Vegemite, but I've never tried Marmite, so I gave it a try. I also added about a teaspoon of vegan mayo, and then the leftovers. So it was the scrambled tofu and some roasted potatoes and also roasted mushrooms. And I added some sriracha on top. It was so good. Honestly, I can't choose between the two. So you should try both. I will link down below also the recipe for the scrambled tofu. It's one of my previous videos. Thursday was more of a simple breakfast. I first had 2 pears, 1 black tea, English breakfast again, but this time I added a bit of vanilla soy milk. You should really try the vanilla flavor in tea. It's so good. Then I had 2 toasts. And this time I put peanut butter, and on top I put rhubarb jam. Really simple, but still really yummy. I didn't film that much on Friday. I had a friend over, so I wanted to make brunch for her. So I made berry smoothies, the rest of the scrambled tofu again, vegan sausages and roasties from IKEA, some cooked mushrooms, leftover cookies that we made the night before. On Saturday, it was snowing. For breakfast, I had a yogurt bowl, soya yogurt, some homemade chocolate granola, I added a mix of seeds, some maple syrup, some frozen raspberries, and 1 pear. And finally on Sunday, as you can see, there's pretty much no snow anymore. 1 breakfast black tea again. And I wanted some granola again, so I made a cereal bowl this time. Chocolate granola, mix of seeds, some leftovers pineapples that I used in a recipe the day before, some vanilla soya milk, and I also put a little bit in my tea. And finally some peanut butter. And here is 1 full week of vegan breakfast. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments which one would you crave right now. I think I'm still dreaming of the brunch we had with my friend. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in the next one.